In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom frames in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're designing social media posts, invitations, or personalizing your projects, learning how to create custom frames can add a unique touch to your creations. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, making sure you have all the information you need to do it seamlessly. First and foremost, open Canva on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. When you're on your Canva homepage, look for the search bar or try navigating to the Frame Maker section if you have access to it. This is the tool that will allow you to design your custom frames from scratch. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Frame Maker features, as this will give you more control and freedom when designing your frame. Once you're in the Frame Maker, you'll notice a variety of tools at your disposal. To start creating your custom frame, you'll need to drag the bullet border tool onto your canvas. This border acts as the foundation of your frame. You can easily manipulate its size and shape to suit your design needs. By clicking and dragging the edges, you can resize or reshape it into square, rectangle, circle, or more creative configurations that fit your vision. As you adjust the border, you'll see how your frame takes on a unique design. Feel free to experiment with different shapes. And remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's all about your creativity and what best complements your project. If at any point you want to try a different approach or change your design, the undo button is your friend, allowing you to backtrack easily. Once you've positioned and styled your custom border to perfection, it's time to add it to your design. Simply click the Add to Design button that appears, usually on the top right corner of your canvas. This action will embed your custom frame directly into your selected project. You can move it around, layer it with other design elements, and continue customizing your project within Canva. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom frame in Canva, ready to enhance your project. Remember, the process is meant to be fun and flexible, so don't hesitate to explore different frame styles and how they interact with various elements of your design. This skill opens up endless possibilities for personalizing your work and expressing your unique style. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you feel empowered to go forth and create amazing designs with your newfound knowledge. Happy designing!